Fire up the grill and your taste buds while celebrating good food and family during National Family Meals Month. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you a simple slider recipe that'll have the whole family racing to the dinner table and getting hooked on fish. Grilled Alaska salmon sliders. To begin, preheat the grill or grill pan. Take your Alaska salmon with the skin still on and make sure they're cut into even pieces. Lightly brush both sides of the salmon with Gustari Vita olive oil and season with salt. Place the salmon fillets on the grill skin side up and cook for 4 minutes until the fish easily comes up without sticking. Flip and cook on the other side for another 2 to 5 minutes. When they're done, transfer to a plate and remove the skin. Salmon is the perfect fish for the grill and rich in heart-healthy fats called omega-3s. For the sliders, evenly spread a layer of Green Goddess dressing on pretzel buns. Evenly distribute onto the bottom buns a salmon fillet, avocado slices, thinly sliced red onion, and a small handful of microgreens. Then, all that's left to do is close the sandwiches and serve up some delicious seafood for your next family feast. September is National Family Meals Month. When families eat together, there are many significant health and social benefits. Kids are more likely to eat healthier and get better grades in school. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow your favorite Hy-Vee dietitians on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Health.